What's up, partners, Facebookers, on the way to YouTube and stuff like that? Okay. Well, I'm under the Claiborne Bridge. Okay. Let me show y'all what's going on. Look at all the decoration they got. It wasn't like this long time ago. They painted everything. Yep. They painted under this bridge, you know. Okay. I guess I should have went the other way and showed y'all, you know. I don't know if I showed y'all in a previous recorded video. Okay. Come on. Look. It painted this purple and everything else. Okay. So what I think about it, folks. I wonder who's watching me. Yep. So all right. Never mind who I want to see. Who I. All right. Doing it well. Okay. All right. So I'm on my way to my people's house to get some beans. Okay. If anybody else that would give it a hoot. Okay. Look right here. Acme, oh my. Huh. Yep. Look everything, yeah. Well, that's for some of you that's not familiar with the city. Okay. So showing y'all around, showing y'all the 6th Ward, the 7th Ward, CBD and stuff like that. Some of you already seen the CBD, you know. Well, the terrible thing is my friend is hurt, you know. Technically, I'm hurt too because my best friend is not loyal to me, you know. Call me when she won't, wait 5 months and stuff like that, making promises and not keeping her promises and stuff like that, you know. So it is what the hell it is, though. All right. It is what the hell it is, though, but I don't know what's next. That's probably one of the St. Bernard buses or something like that, because a 51 St. Bernard already passed, you know. Unless the St. Bernard that fast. Or that's the Franklin, I think. Oh well, yeah, the Franklin do pass on Claiborne now. Okay, they changed the routes last year. Okay, and recently. Okay. First the Franklin was the Franklin was right by the whatchamacallit. Oh. Well, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.